Do you want to know how you can find your or your friend's Discord ID? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Guide. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Discord on your PC and go to a group. After you go to a group, you can click on the user. You can right click on the user's profile over here. So if you cannot find the copy user ID, what you need to do is go to user settings. After you go to user settings, scroll a bit down, and under the streamer mode option over here is advanced. Go ahead and click on it and you can find developer mode over here. Developer mode exposes content menu items helpful for people writing apps using the Discord API. Go ahead and enable developer mode and you can click on escape. After that, right click on the user profile and you can see now the user ID is available. Go ahead and click copy. You can paste the user ID and there you can see the user ID of your friends. Now if you want to see your user ID, right click on your profile over here or go to your profile and you can see the copy user ID. After you copy it, you can see that you can paste it and you can know your user ID as well. So guys, this is how you find out the user ID or the Discord user ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.